Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Kalshi. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and search for Kalshi. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Once done, you will be sent to the homepage. Now, all you need to do is go to the transfer page and select the option to withdraw funds. After that, a pop-up menu will open up prompting you to enter a specific amount and select account. Once done, click on Review and then check if the details are correct. If they are, click on the Submit button and you'll be good to go. Now, if you experience any issues, you can go to this official article. Here you can see that the funds are deposited within the past 10 days and they are being locked for withdrawal. Also, the funds you are attempting to withdraw will not be available for withdrawal, so you need to wait for 10 days. But if you are withdrawing to a different bank, then the waiting period extends to 90 days. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from Kalshi. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.